Hi everyone, I am Praveen Ranwade presenting you the topic circuit and message switching. So what is switching? As we know, network consists of many switching devices. In order to connect multiple devices, there is one solution, that is point-to-point devices between each pair of devices. But this increases the number of connecting devices like star topology. But this method are wasteful for very large network. To overcome this, switching is the best solution. The switching technique will decide the best route for data transmission. This technique connects the system for making one-to-one communication. In short, the mechanism of exchanging information between different computer network and network segment is known as switching. Switching technique is divided into three types: circuit switching, message switching, and packet switching. The circuit switching is further divided into two types: space division switches and time division switches. The switching is also divided into two types: datagram approach and time circuit approach.
I am Viraj Simpi. Today I am going to display now the topic circuit switching. First one. The circuit switching is a switching technique established path bit dedicate bit sender and receiver. Second point. In a circuit switching technique, once the established dedicate path will be remain to exit connection is communication take place. Third point, a circuit switching in a network operator in a way as telephone works. Fourth point, a complete end-to-end path must exist before the communication takes place. Circuit switching is used in public telephone network. It is used for voice transmission. Sixth point, fixed data can be transferred at a time in circuit switching technology. Circuit switch networks. First, telephone network connection. Second, circuit switch data and high speed circuit switch data service in several systems, each such as GSM. Third point, X.21 used in the German data excel and Scandinavian data excel circuit switch data network. Four, optical mesh network. Advantage of circuit switching. First point, the dedicated path circuit established between sender and receiver provides a guaranteed data route. Second point, once the circuit data is established, data is transmitted without and daily as there is no waiting time and each switch. Third point, since a dedicated continuous transmission path is established, a method is suitable for long continuously transmission. Disadvantages of circuit switching. First point, once the dedicated path is established, the daily occurs in the speed of data transmission. Second point, it takes a longer time to establish a connection across a second, during which no data can be transmitted. Third point, it's made experience than therefore switching techniques at dedicated path is required for each other connection. Fourth point, it is efficient to use because once the path is established or and number of data is transmitted, then the capacity of the path is wasted. Fifth point, in this case the connection is dedicated, therefore no other data can be transferred even if the channel free. In build diagram, in circuit switching is commonly used for connecting voice circuit. In circuit of the concept of dedicated path presenting between two parties and nodes. The advantages of circuit switching in that provides for continuous transfer and making maximal use from bandwidth of our communication. Its circuit disadvantage is it can be relatively inefficient because unused capacity guaranteed to a connection. In the telephone connection example, the telephone connection of a circuit switch, in telephone connection a call is made from a telephone another switching with the telephone network. The telephone network is switching in the telephone network circuit, switching the little bit daily constant during a connection. Example of circuit. Example is circuit switching is a method of implementing a telephone communication. A network is which to network nodes establish a dedicated node communication channel circuit guaranteed the full bandwidth of the channel is remain connected. Of the communication section, the circuit function as if nodes are were physically connected of with it the on electrical circuit switching, constantly with message switching and packet switching.
Good morning friends, my name is Samarth Patel and I will explain you about message switching. What is message switching? Message switching is a switching technique in which the message is transferred as a complete unit. There is no dedicated path between two communicating devices. In other words, it is called as telegraph networks. In message switching, we can only send text messages. We can't send any video communication or voice communication. It is also called as store and forward communication. Advantages of message switching. To improve the efficiency of using available bandwidth, the data channels are sharing the communicating devices. It has an efficient traffic management. It reduces network traffic congestions. Message priority can be used to manage networks. This is disadvantages of message switching. There is some delay due to storing and forwarding. Because we store messages, it requires large storing capacity. In this diagram, the A is a sender and H is receiver. The message is sent by the sender A to the nodes, and in nodes the message is stored and further forwarded into the receiver. Hence, this technique is called as storing and forwarding message.